Me mamu nyina aka baby asenhia ne de eh simple mo say simple no mu hin ni himabo we dem no ba be share one of my recipe amenijem jacket potato. It's really nice, very healthy. Sana na mekano nti da wo pe fufu ni ade no when your carbs kakra na do other stuff account no ma me won't go through e me ye na na ye be count so ya ka ho se nti de me wo wa hen na ye jacket potato so am uko shop no ahwede ya kro ho se for baking nti no ane se wapo ku ni se ya ode o knife na wo be me no yensa na de nti amani ade sa me no be share we ni se me pa jacket potato so first me ya na show vi ni mo na me ne dabons na mu nyina ase de agene and na me try with oil u spray no kakra bia e mane bin u di share mo 25 minutes or 180 na wa bio nti me try say we ni oil spray ran so de angwa na de brush na de afefa nti me use me oil spray de kakra bia gu so na me de a show vi na no ana ni bi we de short to u mo say Marie, to me the shame ni atia. Enti oven na preheated. I was 180. Me the shame for 25 minutes. Ma be ya if you want to go be ya de be pre. Jacket pa na ya kono say. She. Send ya. Anjo. Come on, inti, where dear, me be here, me de come me actually as I said, dear me and Yanni son of our scissors and as a second son after. Not with me and say, so and they are told you should. She said, "Ye be a near Jayo a queen wa she na so pe butter wo mu ano anse watete butter kakra to ano say wa won pen me pe butter enti de me o high baked beans and na me cucumber and tomatoes and na cheese kakra and na grated carrots ni onion and to lettuce no atwitwa bebre agu nchen so pa na sweet corn and na tuna enti dia wo pe bia I will fridge leftover bia betimi dia account a very nice and healthy dinner ubetimi having for lunch or dinner ni ne bekoyi enti we dey issue we kweja enti one say simple recipe we dey eto de bia wadam for bi besrawa enye da na ejina kitchen eye banku ni nkruma ni ade ubetimi ayewe na what would a shame no na moto na mudi nko eto de bi no bi twa kwan besrawa na so onya time man and so e dey koyi afa today bi won so betimi aka cho ku say honey ene dey the person no dey akro kakra me want simple recipe no original dey bia man nice and quick enye too failing no say nkro mu nuane na to dey bia odi a too heavy ntimi no kun ana yiri ni agro ntu ya be man so na wo fia betimi atwa bia ma yiri ana weekend bia mo fia sorry aba amo peta mama each other ana kola we so a simple recipe betimi dey ti no na me di jam e wo do kwan so enti so subscribing to this channel or more than subscribe and send me can who see baby na means me and and I always love reading your comments, so feel free to share the videos, leave your comment, and I love you all. God bless.